Before we get started, remember viewer discretion is advised. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, click that bell. Now, let's get on with the show. Mijeezas.
Mijeezas, me no love man. No. Mijeezas, me no love man. My girl come and diss me.
That's a blood clot.
Mijeezas, my mother come and serve. If you're Jamaican, you know what I mean. Mijeezas, this prank is called serve. Serve! 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 Who that serve? Serve! I'm calling serve. Serve means service. I need service. Why me a guys going on in here, man? I'm Jamaican, I need to eat. That's what I said. This is what we come on, we say serve, that means we need service. I'm not yelling, I'm just... Serve means we need service. Oh my God, man, why are we doing that? Because I come on and I say serve. That's not yelling, it's a Jamaican thing. So you ain't gonna give me some cookie? Fuck yeah! When you guys gonna get back down? Huh? Are you guys close? Bum up tonight. America! Fuck yeah! Coming again to save the motherfucking day!
No, shut up. Shut up. So she probably seen you recording, so obviously.
Serve! Sir, I meant serve.
Boy, if you don't get.
I mean like serve.
Really, nigga?
Serve, that's how Jamaicans start for service. I would say serve! Serve, that's what I mean. No, we need service, so that's how we need it.
Which one?
So serve me a Whopper.
Okay, that's it.
Serve me a Whopper.
You got money?
Yeah, of course we got money.
Okay, that's
everything.
it?
Yeah, man. How much for the Whopper?
480.
Alright. Serve me the 480 Whopper.
Okay, 480.
Oh, shit. Oh, in Jamaica they give the food first.
Oh, no.
Sorry.
No, boy.
Bye. You know what, to be honest, a while ago I was confused. I thought I was Jamaican. I know Jamaicans, they be like, serve! You know, because they got a service.
So y'all going to place some there, right?
Yeah, we said serve. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's what our country do. I don't know. I just thought it was the same thing. I'm French, as I can hear the accent.
And I'm going to ask my daddy when I call, do y'all do that?
Yeah, we do it. Yeah, we go to the shop, we say serve. Oh, no, I'm asking for service. Yeah, I apologize. I'm from Jamaica.
What part?
Kingston. But I grew up in the countryside. That's why we say serve a lot. Yeah. It's gonna be so funny, bro. Yo, comment down below. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Mijeezas. Serve! Motherfuckers about to serve us. I'm gonna teach them the Jamaican way of asking for customer service. It's serve! Alright? Fuck everybody, it's serve! Be getting serve as cold out here, shit.
And serve as sick too.
Yeah, remember to fix the camera good, man. Don't with the.
Yeah.
Ready.
Alright, let me get my other phone out. Hello.
Serve! Serve! Hey, you're stuff, man. Serve! Serve! Yeah, I need some service. No, that's just it. I mean, that's how we like ask for like customer service. What can you serve me? Like breakfast. Oh, you got breakfast already?
All day breakfast.
All day breakfast.
Eggs, roast steak.
No steak.
No scrambled eggs.
I don't know it. But really actually, I was just like going around. And I'm like, because I'm Jamaican, right? And I've been having traveled to different restaurants and stuff. Because I have to bring my culture over here. So me coming over here, I have to be saying, serve! To like teach people that's the way we communicate in terms of getting customer service. Yeah, so, you know. So, if another Jamaican come in and they say serve, you'll understand that we mean service. Like, serve!
Yeah.
Serve! Serve!
What's up?
Oh, that's how we say serve in Jamaica, man. I need service. You know what serve mean, right? So serve mean we need service. So I'm trying to introduce this new thing in America where Jamaicans need service. So when we come to shop, we say serve! So that means we need service. Know what I mean? Alright. So what's it called? Say it with me. Serve! Say it now. Serve! You say serve? Say it, man. Say it. Serve! Serve! You have to say it louder. Serve! Alright, man. Bless her. But serve up. Serve! That? Mijeezas! So, that was serve. If you want part 2, it's simple. Comment down below, bro. Like, comment, and share. Like is very important. Like this video, bro. Support the Tabizzle Prime. Mijeezas movement. And share. Comment down below for part 2. Serve! Serve! Mijeezas.